Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change mobile number in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings option once again. Here, click on Personal Details option. Go to Contact Info. Now, in order to change the number, you'll first have to delete the previous number. Click on the previous number. Then click on Delete Number option. Click on the Delete option. Here, you'll have to enter your password. Click on the Continue button. Now go back and add in your new number. In order to do so, click on Add New Contact option. Tap on Add Mobile Number. Enter the mobile number. Select the Facebook account. Then tap on Next option. Here you'll have to enter the confirmation code that was sent to your number. Tap on Next button. And that is how you can change your mobile number in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.